Back. Madam, back. On the sides now, please. On the sides now, please. Crossing is closed. On the sides, please. Sides. Sides.
All week last week was Armed Forces Day. Today I just decided to come down Buckingham Palace and support the guy doing the duty, stagging on in this hot weather. The weather now today is what? $27 today, so definitely have to come out and show my support. I got some footage, absolutely crowded, loads of tourist area, so what's it like in Buckingham Palace. But apart from that though, I definitely have to come down here and show my support. Yeah, enjoy. Always running, never end. I just watched the guys swap duty just now. We got the Canadian Army over, swapped with the Irish Guards, absolutely gleaming. You know, you can't get better from the Irish Guards. You know, sharp on the drill, you know, stunning. Last week was Armed Forces Day. I missed that, you know, I was absolutely busy, but I'm definitely here to show my support and things. So I just basically came down to get some good footage of them. Definitely the run this morning was absolutely epic, you know, so I'm dehydrated at the moment to the max. Goddamn 34 degrees, huh? Yeah. It's red as well.
Escort to the colour, we'll move to the right. Right, turn. By the centre. Quick. March. Free hand. Up.
Marcher looking quite sharp, quite dapper like always. It's the army, innit? Always the best, nevertheless. But yeah, apart from that, it was good though. So it's absolutely hot, it's like 30 degrees at the moment. So what I'm gonna do is go down, get a Santa on a bike and ride over, go and get some juice. What's up my youth? Very productive day today. Just got back from Joe and Juice. Pay £4.50 for that. Absolutely fabulous. Came out to Buckingham Palace, get some absolute great footage of Canadian Army and start my day off with a bit of run today. Got up early, you know, as well. I said the hardest bit, get up out of bed. Apart from that, when I'm up, you know what I mean? I'm absolutely buzzing now and I know I won't go back to bed till about maybe 1-2 in the morning again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do like it, share it and give it a thumbs up.